Have you ever wondered how to revive those leftover boiled eggs without losing their tender and velvety consistency? Well, wonder no more. We are here to unveil a few tried and true methods that will breathe new life into your unconsumed boiled eggs. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from Bloggin'GoodFood. Let's get started. Our first method involves reheating boiled eggs using boiling water. It's a quick and simple technique that works wonders. Step 1. Bring water to a gentle boil. Start by filling a saucepan with enough water to fully submerge your eggs. Place it over medium heat and bring the water to a gentle boil. Step 2. Add the boiled eggs. Once the water is gently boiling, carefully lower your boiled eggs into the saucepan using a slotted spoon or tongs. Make sure they are fully submerged. Step 3. Reheat for 3 to 4 minutes. Let the eggs simmer in the boiling water for about 3 to 4 minutes. This should be enough time to warm them through without overcooking. Step 4. Remove and cool. Using your slotted spoon or tongs, carefully remove the eggs from the boiling water and transfer them to a bowl filled with cold water. Allow them to cool for a few minutes to stop the cooking process. Our second method involves using the oven to reheat the boiled eggs. It's a great option if you are reheating a larger batch or prefer a slightly different texture. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Place the eggs in a baking dish. Arrange your boiled eggs in a single layer in a baking dish. You can lightly grease the dish to prevent sticking if desired. Step 3. Reheat in the oven. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and let the eggs reheat for approximately 15 minutes. Step 4. Cool and serve. Once the eggs are heated through, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Peel, season with salt and pepper, and enjoy. Whether you choose the boiling water technique for simplicity or the oven method for a unique texture, your reheated eggs will be a delightful addition to any meal. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and kitchen tips.